1. Which organelle is responsible for producing ATP in a eukaryotic cell? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Mitochondrion. D. Golgi apparatus. 2. The atomic number of an element is equal to A. Mass number. B. Number of protons. C. Number of neutrons. D. Number of electrons and neutrons. 3. In a redox reaction, the substance that gets reduced. A. Loses electrons. B. Gains electrons. C. Becomes more positive. D. Loses mass. 4. What is Newton's second law of motion? A. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. B. Force equals mass times acceleration. C. An object in motion stays in motion. D. Energy is conserved in closed systems. 5. Which of the following is a compound? A. O2. B. H2. C. H2O. D. N. 6. The pH of a neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius is A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. 7. Which of the following is a function of the large intestine? A. Digestion of proteins. B. Water absorption. C. Hormone production. D. Bile secretion. 8. In an experiment, the variable that is manipulated by the researcher is the A. Dependent variable. B. Independent variable. C. Control variable. D. Confounding variable. 9. Which part of a neuron receives signals from other neurons? A. Axon. B. Soma. C. Dendrites. D. Synapse. 10. The SI unit for electric current is A. Volt. B. Ampere. C. Watt. D. Ohm. 11. DNA replication occurs during which phase of the cell cycle? A. G1 phase. B. G2 phase. C. S phase. D. M phase. 12. In statistics, the mean of a data set is A. The middle value. B. The most frequent value. C. The average value. D. The range of values. 13. Which of the following is a carbohydrate? A. Triglyceride. B. Cellulose. C. Insulin. D. Hemoglobin. 14. What does a catalyst do in a chemical reaction? A. Changes the products. B. Changes the reactants. C. Speeds up the reaction. D. Increases activation energy. 15. The boiling point of water on the Celsius scale is A. 50 degrees Celsius. B. 90 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. 120 degrees Celsius. 16. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. 17. What is the main structural difference between DNA and RNA? A. DNA is single-stranded. B. RNA has thymine. C. DNA contains ribose. D. RNA contains uracil. 18. Which process in cellular respiration produces the most ATP? A. Glycolysis. B. Krebs cycle. C. Electron transport chain. D. Fermentation. 19. Which law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed? A. Law of entropy. B. Newton's third law. C. Law of conservation of energy. D. Boyle's law. 20. A convex lens causes light rays to A. Diverge. B. Refract randomly. C. Stay parallel. D. Converge. 21. Which of the following best describes a hypothesis? A. A proven fact. B. A tentative explanation. C. A variable. D. A universal law. 22. Which part of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? A. Right atrium. B. Left atrium. C. Right ventricle. D. Left ventricle. 23. A solution with a high concentration of H ions is A. Basic. B. Neutral. C. Acidic. D. Alkaline. 24. What is the derivative of sin x? A. Cos x. B. Cos x. C. Tan x. D. Sin x. 25. Which of the following best describes mitosis? A. Cell division in gametes. B. Reduction in chromosome number. C. Production of identical cells. D. Random assortment of genes. Associate in Science. The Associate in Science AS test is a comprehensive academic assessment designed to evaluate a student's mastery of foundational scientific principles across multiple disciplines, including biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and scientific reasoning. This test is typically taken by students pursuing an Associate in Science degree and serves as a benchmark for readiness in advanced study or professional application. It measures critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and technical knowledge necessary for careers in healthcare, engineering, technology, and laboratory sciences. The AS test reflects college-level expectations and is used by academic institutions to assess general education outcomes, transfer eligibility, or preparedness for upper division coursework in science-related programs. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Academic placement and progress evaluation. The AS test helps colleges assess a student's readiness for advanced coursework in science and mathematics, ensuring appropriate placement and tracking academic progress toward degree completion. 2. Transfer eligibility. Many institutions use AS test results to determine if a student meets the requirements to transfer into bachelor's degree programs in STEM-related fields, aiding in seamless credit articulation. 3. Career Preparedness Assessment. The test evaluates key competencies required in science-related professions, helping students and advisors identify strengths and skill gaps relevant to the workforce. 4. Scholarship and grant qualification. Some educational programs and financial aid opportunities consider strong AS test performance as a factor in awarding merit-based scholarships or grants. 5. Curriculum effectiveness measurement. Schools and programs use aggregated AS test data to assess the effectiveness of their science curriculum and implement instructional improvements.